Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video I'm excited to share with you. I placed an order for Half Caked. They just released 4 new candy paints, and if you're not familiar with that, it's a cream blush. They come in these really cute packaging. I know some people aren't crazy about the packaging. I think it's cute. Anything that's hard is really cute. So they have 4 shades. 3 are blushes. 1 is a kind of clear balm. So in this video, I'm going to swatch them. I'm going to try them on, and yeah, we'll discuss. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. All right. So I know I look a little bit tired. I worked today. I did start a new job. I'll make a video on that, but I've been working, so that's why I look a little bit tired and touch up my makeup. But I wanted to get into this just to kind of go over the blushes. So these blushes retail for $10, about $9. I don't know if they're available on Amazon just yet. Typically when Half Caked releases blushes, they start to roll them out at Amazon not too long after. So the first shade I got is called 4 a.m. Very pretty. It's sort of like a, I don't know how to describe this. It is sort of like a rosy brown kind of color, but more rosy. That's 4 a.m. Then we have Angel, that is a pale warm pink. That's rosy. Then it's Yacht Week. This is a beautiful nude. They described it, I think, as a kind of a bronzy nude. But it's a very true kind of beigey nude color. And then I'm a Salve for You is clear. It kind of reminds me of the Danessa Myricks Duet Balm. I will make a video comparing that for you guys, but I want to just focus on these for now. So very pretty. You know what? Let me swatch them again up close so you guys could see. So 4 a.m. Angel, Yacht Week, and the clear one. Really pretty, very wearable. I definitely feel like these will work pretty much on every skin tone. These are your tried and true everyday kind of nude blushes. So I'm going to start off by putting one on one side, one on the other side like I always do. And you know what? Let me just touch up under my eyes because I feel like I look terrible. I'll be right back. Okay, that's much better. I feel like I look a little more, I don't know, refreshed. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 4 a.m. on this side. These do come with a mirror. The little plastic is kind of hard to remove. I'm not gonna worry about that right now, but I do want to let you know it does come with a mirror. So I'm just taking that. And this is a really nice formula. It's creamy, it's blendable, it can be built up. So you can do something sheer like this. Or you can continue to build. Now, I've used these blushes before. This formula is not new to me. That's why I bought all the shades, because I genuinely like it. This is a formula that I like to keep in my kit as well, because I feel like they make colors that work on so many skin tones. So again, 4 a.m. On the other side, I'm going to do Angel, which is more toned down. So if you're fair skin, I think you're going to like it a lot. See, it's a very it's a pretty soft pink, but it's still pigmented, and it still kind of brings some life to my face. So again, 4 a.m. Angel. Now I'm going to take it off and put on Yacht Week. Alright, I actually went over with a little foundation just to kind of cancel out any of the blush that was left over and any redness that I had on my face. If you're curious, I did put on the Pretty Natural hydrating foundation from Essence. It's a really good one. I've made a review about it in the past. I will link it here. So before I do the blush, I actually want to show you the highlighter, the Salve for You. This is a creamy, dewy highlighter. It kind of reminds me of like a cross between the Tower 28 one and the Danessa Myricks. So I'm going to load that up. I'm going to put that on first so you can see like the dewiness of it. So I'm going to put that. I'm going to tap it to the high points of my face. Very beautiful. I like that. Very pretty. I would absolutely call this a Tower 28 dupe for sure. Okay, and on the other side I'm going to do Yacht Week, which is like that really bronzy nude color. It's funny, online it's described as like a bronzy nude, I think. Don't quote me on that. On me, it's definitely a nude color, but it almost looks a little pinkish on me. Or am I seeing that wrong? I feel like it shifts a little bit pink, but it's very beautiful, very soft. Definitely the softer of the three blushes. Yeah, because Angel is definitely more pinky toned. This is like your true nude. So very beautiful. Again, these wear for a nice amount of time too. Like I know that if I put them on, obviously masks just mess with everything. But if I put these on, I know I don't have to worry about them for the rest of the day. The pigmentation stays. My skin doesn't look dry. It doesn't look heavy. It just looks like it melts into my skin really nice. So if you guys have ever tried the candy paints, let me know. Comment down below. This is definitely one of my favorite cream blush formulas. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.